Now in this video we are continuing with the cone. So we have a question from a circular cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter. Alright, we have a cylinder like this. This cylinder is having a diameter 10 centimeters. So we can say that the radius is 5 centimeters and height is 12 centimeters. Alright, the height is capital H is 12 centimeters. A conical cavity of the same base radius and of the same height is hollowed out. Means that we are hollowing this out in form of, we are cutting a conical cavity from this solid. This is a solid cylinder and we are hollowing out a cone from this which has the same base radius as well as height, right? Now he wants us to find the volume and the whole surface area of the remaining solid. Now we have to find the volume of the, first thing is volume of the remaining solid. Obviously volume of the remaining solid will be volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. That will be left as a volume there. So let's calculate first the volume of the remaining solid. So volume of the remaining solid will be volume of cylinder minus volume of cone, right? So that will be, how do we calculate the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi. We will use same r because radius and the height is same. So we can take pi r square and h as common, right? So what do we get? I will get 1 minus 1 by 3. So 3 minus 1 is, this is 2 by 3 into pi, you can use 22 by 7. R you have 5 into 5 and H you have 12, right? So we have 3 4s are 12. So oh, he has asked us to leave the answer in pi, so we don't have to replace this. We will keep it as pi only. So finally we have 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 50 4s are 200. So we have 200 pi centimeter cube as the volume of the remaining solid. Now he wants us to calculate the surface area of the remaining solid. Now how do you calculate the remaining area? The area that you can touch. One, you can touch this slant portion. So that is pi RL, right? We can write the remaining surface area as surface area as pi RL. The shape will be this inside. If you put your hand inside, you will get pi RL kind of a shape. Plus this shape is left outside, which is the curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi RH. And there will be, in the bottom you will be having a circle. So what will be the area of the circle? Plus pi r square, right? So let's replace this by capital R and this by capital H. Let's write it again. So you have pi r L plus 2 pi r H plus pi r square. Pi we don't have to replace, we have to keep it as it is. Now we have everything here. Do we have the value for this L? We don't have, we have to find. So we can take pi common, we can take R also common. So inside we'll have L plus 2H plus this R. right? Now we don't have the value for this L, but we can calculate the value of this L as this is L, this is H, and this is R. So we can write L square is equal to H square plus R square. L square is equal to H is how much? 12 square plus R is how much? 5 square. So L square is equal to 144 plus 25, which is 169. So your L is 13. So you have found the value of this L. So this will give us pi. R we can write as 5. L we can write as 13 plus 2 into H is 12 plus R is again 5. So this is 5 pi 13 plus 24 plus 5, which is equal to 5 pi 13 plus 24, this is 18 plus 24, so you have 18 and 24 to 42. So this gives you 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 210 pi. This is the centimeter square. This is the remaining surface area of this solid when you are carving the cone out. Now, one more. This time we have a cube whose edge is 14 centimeter, right? Okay, so we have a cube like this, and the edge of the cube is 14 centimeter. We know that the length, breadth and height of the cube is same. So length is 14, breadth is 14 and height is 14. Okay, so this is 14, this is also 14 and this is also 14 centimeter. A cone of maximum size is carved out. Find the volume of the cone and of the remaining material, each correct to 1 place of decimal. Now, how you will calculate the volume of the cone? Oh, let's first make the cone like this. So if you are carving a cone out of this entire thing becomes the diameter. Then radius of the cone will become 7 centimeter and height will remain 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Fine. Now we have to find the remaining volume of this solid. How do we find the remaining volume of this solid? So remaining volume will be volume of the cone cube minus volume of the cone, right? So what is cube? How do we calculate the volume of cube? 14 cube minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square into h, right? So 14 cube is 2744 minus 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7 into 14. So 7 2s are 14. So you have 2744 minus, this is 49 into 2, 22 into 49 into 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this becomes 2744 minus 44 into 49 divided by 3. So that is equal to 44 into 49. 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 36, 37, 38, 39 into 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and 1 17, 6 5 1 2 1 5 6, and if you divide it by 3, 7s are 21, 5 3 1s are 3 and 2 6 3 8s are 24.8 3 6 18. So this will be 2744 minus 718.666. So which will be 2025.33 centimeter cube.